right, check this out. This is one of the harder to find Chevrolets we sell. This is a custom TrailBoss. Can come in almost 10 grand less than a regular TrailBoss. This is also a 6.2. Check it out. All right, this is a Silverado TrailBoss custom with a 6.2 liter. It does have the Dark Essentials package, but they haven't showed up yet. It's going to change the badging from chrome to black, and then the lettering on the tailgate will be black as well. So this one does have the 18-inch wheels with the DURATRAC tires, your custom front end, which is different than the regular TrailBoss front end. You got the Chevrolet across the grill. This one did come with your remote start package. What's nice about these is you get the TrailBoss look without a lot of the extras. You know, no dual climate control. No wireless Apple CarPlay, but you still have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You still have power windows and locks, keyless entry, power windows, power mirrors, but just a little more basic. So if you don't want all that tech, you don't have to get it. Now the customs do not come with a power driver's seat. Cruise control, air conditioning. Some of them are going to have the ability to turn off auto stop, power tailgate release, and downhill assist control. This one does have a built-in brake controller. You've got your factory tow haul mode, auto 4x4, 4 high, 4 low, 2 high, cargo lights, the smaller color touch display, but it is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And you do have hands-free, you just have to answer from the screen instead of on the steering wheel. This is a full 4-door crew cab, flip-up rear seats. Notice it doesn't have the storage box on the bottom or the liners. This one does have a sprayed-in bed liner with the bow tie up front. This one happens to have an MSRP of $49,515. 6.2 spray-in liner, Dark Essentials package, brake controller, single zone AC. This is shadow gray metallic. Due to production limits, these trucks have been extremely hard to get a hold of. We happen to have this one here available today. If you'd like to know more, give us a call at 800-642-1566. And don't forget, we have a lifetime powertrain warranty with 10 years roadside assistance standard on all of our new Chevrolet and Hyundai models. Thanks again and have a great day.